Hi everyone. So today we are going to learn phonics. Phonics are nothing but sounds. Sounds of alphabet from A to Z. So if we knew the sounds of alphabet, it becomes very easy to learn the pronunciation of the words and English language. So it's very essential to learn. So let us see how it will be pronounced from A to Z letters. So first one is A. So A is pronounced in a different ways, like a. So first sound is A. So with A, what comes here? Alphabet. Example with A, alphabet. And one more sound is A. Second sound is A. So ant. Second sound is ant. And the third one is A. Example, aeroplane. So here with A, alphabet, A, ant, A, aeroplane. And next sound is B. B, like a bat. Example is bat. And third letter is C. C has two sounds. One is K. K, like a cat. K, cat. And one more sound is S, like a cell. We have mobile, so that is called as a cell. S, cell or city. So these are example. K, S, K, S. Next one is a D. With a D, we have a sound dog. D, dog. Next one is E. E also have different sounds. E. A. With A, egg. Egg. So we know the egg. So that is called as A. A sound. And one more is E. Eat. So we eat. So that sound comes as a E. Eat. And egg. And one more next letter is F. This sound is fan. Fan. And next one is G has two sounds again. One is G. One sound is G, like a goat. G, goat. And next one is J. Next sound J sound. J, like a giraffe. Gym. J, giraffe and gym. It has two sounds. G, J. G, J. Next one, H. Hat. H, hat. And next one, I. I has different sounds. Like first one is E. Ink. With I sound, E. Ink. And I. I is a ice cream. I has two sounds. Ice cream and ink. One is E, one more is I. And next J. J, jeep. Jar, jug, J. It gives J sound. Next one K. K, kite. Kite, king. K, K. L, lion. L, lion. Man. Man. Monkey. Monkey. It gives sound. Next one is neck. Neck. Net. Net. Next letter is O. O has different sounds. First God. So God. So in this word, O is giving a sound. We know the God. God. G, God. So it is giving a sound. Next one is O. Example, ocean. O. It is giving O sound. Ocean. And one more is when double O comes, it gives as a U, like a book. Cook. So here the sound is a oo sound. A, o, oo. So it is giving 3 sounds here. And next one, p, 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 pen, pet, pen, pet, p, p. Next letter, q. It gives a qua, qua, queen, queen. Next, r, rat, ring, rat, ring. Next one, s. S letter give s, like a snake sound. Snake, seat. So here S is giving s sound. Next is T. T gives t, ten, tip, pen, tip, t sound. Here you also gives a different sounds. Like example, U gives a sound when we say up. When we say up, so it is giving a sound, up. And next, when it comes in the middle, example, put, P-U-T, put. So here giving oo sound, put, oo, p, oo, put, put. And sometimes it gives a u sound also, like a university, universal. So it is giving u sound. One is a, one more is u, and the third one is u. So up, put, university. So here u. And next one, v. V gives van, vex, van, vex, Next letter, w. W also wall, well, wall, well. So x. X is a x. It gives x sound. Xerox, Xerox. Here giving first x is giving z sound. Next last letter is giving x sound. Xerox. So here finally x. Here y. Y also gives the different sounds here again. Example, y. E, like a boy, e. So when in the boy, e sound comes. Sometimes e sound also gives nothing but I sound. Like example, gym. So in this gym, y is giving I sound, e sound, gym. And one more sound is I. Like example, cyber. So in that y is pronounced as a I, cyber. Or Hyderabad, or Hyder. So y is sounded as a, is pronounced as a I, Hyderabad, or cycle. So here it y is pronouncing as a I. So we have 3 sounds. One is ear, like a boy, and one more is a e sound, like a gym, and the third one is I, like a cyber, or Hyder, or cycle. Means we have 3 sounds. One is ear, and one more e, and another one is I, and z, zebra, zoo, z. So here a, b, k, s, d, e, f, g, j, I, E, j, k, l, l, m, n, n, a, o, u, a, o, u, p, p, qua, qua, s, s, t, t, a, u, u, a, u, u, v, 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 x, x, y, y, I, z, z. And these are all the sounds that we practice at home, and you will get the phonic sounds, and it becomes very easy to learn the English language, and you can pronounce easily all the words.